guys, it's Liz, also known as people as I welcome to the channel. So for today's video is all about these products, makeup products from Althea. Oh my gosh. If you've known Althea for quite a long time, they have been releasing skincare products for the longest time, but now they have makeup products and I'm very happy to try them. I'm very satisfied with them, so I can't wait to share you guys my experience and how I did this look. So this is kind of a soft Valentine's Day kind of look, so I hope you like it. I will show you everything what's inside this box throughout the whole video. And before we start, I'm just gonna show you how cute this handbook box. I'm gonna show you how cute this handbook box. Look at this one, it has the details at the sides and at the back it says Althea. And look at this design. And when you open it up, it says Happy Lunar New Year. Which, yes, Happy Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year. So inside the box, we have the makeup products over here, which I will show you throughout the video. And we also have this sticker set, which is very, very cute. Very kawaii. So yeah, if you want to know all about the makeup products and how I achieved this look, keep on watching. I'm sorry for my pimples because I had pimples when I had my period, so they're there but they're dry. But, you know, I still have the scars. But perfect timing because we have this Skin Relief Spot Film Gel from Althea, and what this is an acne or a pimple relief cream or something to treat your pimples. So I lost the footage of me applying the cream, but what it does is that it dries up on top of your pimples, so you can put makeup on top and then at the same time it treats your pimple. So yeah, it's a great product. Next up we have the Flawless Cream Concealers from Althea, and we have vanilla, ginger, honey, and mocha. So we have 4 shades over here. Okay, so for my blemish, I will use the shade Honey, and later for my under eye circles, I will use the shade Ginger. So I'm gonna use Honey for my blemishes. Just dot it at the right spots. There you go. I have this teeny tiny brush for my blemishes. A little goes a long way for this concealer, and it's very creamy. It's really easy to blend. I'm just using my fingertips to fully blend it to my skin. Okay, I think we're good. I'm just gonna put a little more here because I have redness around this area. Okay, see how it blended on my skin? So for my under eyes, I'll use ginger. I'll just put a little bit on my dark circles and then we'll blend. I know the right way was to do a triangle, but nah. Lately, what I've been doing with makeup is that less is more. Like, I want it to look as natural as possible and for my makeup to be as light as possible. Okay, so it looks really nice. See, I got my eyes brightened now. I'll just use the same shade Ginger on my eyelids as our eye primer. I'll just set my under eyes real quick and also the other parts where I put concealer. Next product is the eye palette Sunrise and Moonrise, and this is a collaboration of Althea with BCL. BCL is another Indonesian star. Althea has collaborated previously with another Indonesian star, so they collaborated with BCL this time. So I'm very happy that they're coming up with really great products whenever they collaborate with someone. So as you can see, this is the palette. And it has 8 shades, which I think it has like 2 matte shades and then 4 shimmer shades and 2 very glittery shades. So it's really nice, it's really compact, it looks so sleek. You have a big mirror when you open it up, and yeah, it's very pigmented when you swatch it. So I'm very excited to use it on my eye right now. So let's just set what I have on my base on my eye right now with this color. There you go. We'll just set whatever we have. Even though this is like a nude color, I can see it. I can still see it on my eye. Ta-da! So I went ahead and finished one eye so I can show you how it's done on the other. So first off, let's use on the crease this brown shade. Just put it all over your crease. And then take this really deep purple shade, tap off the excess, and just put it on the end 1/3 of your eye. Darken it up. And for that brown shade again, I'll just blend everything. And then take your concealer, put on a little bit on your hand, take your concealer brush and put it on your crease. I like to put it up to this line where my crease line is, so when I open my eyes up, it will cover that part, and as you can see, it transfers over here, so that means that's where my crease is. So this is kind of how to do a cut crease look. So I like to open my eyes like that from time to time since I have hooded eyes. I just want to see where my crease really is. Take the brown, this shade again, and just set your concealer so it won't move around. Now take this shade, this light pink shimmery shade, put it all over your lid. Take this shade, this rosy glitter shade, and just place it on your lid. So coming back from this brown shade, I'll just put another layer on the crease just to blend the concealer and the glitter and the eyeshadows all together. And then take the gold, this one, the gold glitter shade, and then just put it on the middle part of your eye just to give it a little pop. And then I'll just take my purple shade again just to make sure it's not lost. Okay, when you're happy with your eyeshadow, take another brush, take this reddish pink shade and put it on your lower outer corner, just a little bit. Your brown color and blend it. And then take another brush, take that really light white goldish color and put it on your inner eyelids or your inner corners. You're done with eyeshadows! Yay! So I'll just put a little bit of eyeliner, just a little, because we're gonna do that glitter line afterwards. So you would just want to put a little, like the thinnest line that you can. So next product are the Spotlight Eye Glitters from Althea, and when I saw this on their Instagram account, I was just, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try these because I love glitter, I love shine. So the shades that we have here is number 01 Gold Light and number 02 in Pink Light. So for today's look, we will use the lighter one, Gold Light. So this is what the brush looks like. It's really, really tiny. And let's put it on. So nice. I love it. So we're done with the eyes, and so far this is like my favorite product because when it dries down, it will not go anywhere. It will not transfer, it will not smudge. So I really, really love this Spotlight Eye Glitter. I think I will be using this a lot. So next product is the Althea Watercolor Cream Tints. Like, oh my gosh, look how cute they are. So they come in 4 shades, as you can see here. So we have Plum Cream, peach cream, strawberry cream, and marron cream. So I have 4 shades. They look very sleek, and they do have the doe foot applicator. Here's the swatches, and I've tried it and blended as a blush. I think they can be a blush because they're really creamy and it's really blendable. So let's use one as a blush. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, they stain. Oh no. They do really stain your skin. So I think you have to be quick if you're going to use this as a blush. I need to be quick because it dries up so fast. Okay, so a little goes a long way because as you saw, I just used a dot and it covered my entire cheek. I think this is a lot. Ah, blend! It has that really subtle floral scent, which is nice. Put a little powder to make it a little subtle. So for highlight, let's grab our palette and let's use this this shade. Let's see if it will. Ooh, it's actually nice for highlight because we're already too glittery. We don't want our full face to be so glittery. Now, let's go back to that maroon shade. My hands are just stained with this lip cream. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, Althea, for these awesome makeup products. I love them. My comments about the eye palette, it's a little it does have that little kickback, but it doesn't bother me. For the tints, I have no problem. They stain. They can color your cheeks, your lips. It's very good. For the eye glitters, these are my favorites. I love. For the concealers, I love them. They covered my pimples really nice. They're very easy to use. I love. And for this part, film gel, I will be using this on my pimple. I will be using this on my pimple and I will let you guys know how it goes. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram so you can stay updated and, you know, stalk me or whatever. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah.